Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common query that's super handy for all Kotak Bank users. How to view your debit card number directly in the Kotak app for 2025. With the latest updates, this process is quicker and more secure than ever, saving you time and hassle when you need your card details on the go. Whether you're setting up online payments, verifying transactions, or just double-checking your info, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Kotak app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Kotak Mobile Banking, and download the 2025 version. It's packed with enhanced security features. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your username and password. For added security, you'll likely need to verify with your biometric option like fingerprint or Face ID, which is a great way to protect your account. Now, once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Cards or Accounts section. It's usually front and center. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your linked cards. Select your debit card from the options. It might show the last 4 digits to help you identify it quickly. Next, tap on View Details or Card Information. Depending on your app settings, you might be prompted to enter a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number or email. This extra step ensures that only you can access sensitive info. After verification, voila, your full debit card number will appear on the screen, along with other details like the expiry date and CVV. Remember, always handle this information carefully to avoid any risks. Never share it over unsecured channels. If you're having trouble, check the app's help section or contact Kotak support. And there you have it, folks. That's how you easily view your debit card number in the Kotak app for 2025. It's all about making banking simpler and safer. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.